Hello guys, have a great life. Today, I'm gonna be sharing about installing Epson printer L3210 in my laptop.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away, as you fade away.
Wait until the red lights disappear and the green light will become steady. Go to the Epson official website and choose to download and install the Windows version of Epson Connect Printer Setup utility. Tick the agreement and click Next. Click Install. Select your product in the menu, then click Next. Select printer registration and click Next. Click Agree Next. Click OK when you see Register a printer to Epson Connect. You can create a new account or sign up with an existing one. Read Epson official page for more details. Your printer plays an important role in your office and/or home-based business. Printing at third-party companies can cost you a fortune and can be very time-consuming. It is a hassle to maintain your printer which you don't use frequently, but it can avoid those printer fits when you need to print urgently. Use your printer more frequently. If you don't use your printer regularly, the ink cartridge can dry up and cause various obstacles for your business or home-based office. If you don't need to print frequently, consider using a laser printer. Laser printers use heat to fuse the powder onto paper, which means the powder in the cartridge cannot dry up. Prevent printer breakdowns and clean your printer head. High-standard printing is an essential part of a successful business. That is why maintaining your printer performance is important. Any machine, irrelevant of which model it is, can break down if you don't take proper care of it, especially when using an inkjet printer. Take caution when replacing your cartridges. It happens that you are in a hurry to print a document and need to replace your cartridges, so you just force them in your printer. Caution must be exercised when replacing cartridges. Do not touch the bottom of the cartridge because it may spoil the quality of your printouts. If your printer is new to you, read the instructions carefully before replacing the cartridges and keep the instruction manual safely. Keep your printer clean and dust-free. Dust your printer off once in a while. Dust and dirt can easily get into the smaller parts of your printer. Dust off your printer with a clean soft cloth or by using a mild alcohol cleaning solution. If you don't use your printer regularly, consider covering it with a dust net to prevent dust and dirt getting into it. Use the latest software and drivers. Updating to the latest software and drivers is more important than you might think. Keep up to date by installing the latest drivers from the manufacturers.
Wala lagi.